Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, June the 25th, 2021. Yes, still Friday and almost Saturday. Almost weekend, but we have two puzzles left, the binary one and the tectonic one. First, I will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3004. Yes, 3004. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Four ones we have, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Three O's we have. If I know between an 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third one O, and the fourth O. So this must be a 1. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I know between an 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always, oh wait, we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yes, between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Alright. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then, do I need to compare? Yeah, the last column and that column. Empty box, 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, let me see. Yeah, this column and the first column. Empty box, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's in the last row, so this should be a 1. The rest are 1s. Okay. Interesting. Okay. And now, well, we have here 3 1s. I cannot place number 4 here. Then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here in this column, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Same story as before. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have. So the rest are O's. And now, need to compare. Yeah, this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 6 minutes. All right, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today. It's a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.